During the Somerset Mill's 2024 pulp mill maintenance outage, the Project Elevate team took the opportunity to install the vital infrastructure required for the major rebuild of Paper Machine 2 early next year. To ensure that construction remains on track and to minimize potential disruptions for our customers, it's important to use these regular mill outages efficiently. The Somerset team successfully executed a complex combination of improvements throughout the mill site during the outage. They achieved this through careful planning and coordination on countless operational and construction processes. The team met all challenges with a focus on safety for SAPI employees and the hundreds of contractors on site. This critical outage is a significant milestone and served as excellent preparation for the main machine rebuild in 2025. As we continue work on this massive project, the Somerset Mill team and construction crews are also building on their excellent communication and teamwork. We appreciate all the hard work toward making sure Project Elevate progresses on time and on budget. This entire team's dedication to the rebuild is instrumental to SAPI's growth.